Howdy, y'all. This is Green Pine with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm looking at the Rye Heights. This is their one bedroom. I'm doing a quick walkthrough of it. It's just gorgeous. Look at it. It's just a real pretty, feels real functional. The space is just perfectly placed in so many ways. It's got this great island that's kind of different and fun. You could put probably 3 or even 4 bar stools under there. You don't need a table. You can also just have a great kitchen. It's so pretty. It's just light and bright. The appliances are great looking. I love the sink, by the way. This is a beautiful sink, just gorgeous. Like I said, that island is just perfect. People, your friends are gonna wanna hang around this thing and enjoy it. But also you've got this great area here too. This is a gorgeous area. You can put a sectional or just do kind of what they did. You do have a balcony outside. You're gonna have a balcony with your place. In this case, it's pretty good size. You can see it. Very nice size. Love the size of that a lot. And then here is what the bathroom and bedroom look like. So the bathroom is here. It's a very pretty, gorgeous bathroom. Very light, bright. And then here's the bedroom. Bedroom's super pretty too, so really like this a lot. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you'd like to do a virtual tour, send me a text as well. We can set that up as early as today. It's always free as a part of our service.